Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello and welcome to the family, because I know you subscribed already. Okay, so today's video is just going to be the first, why am I throwing up two hands, the first makeup tutorial that I have done for 2023. I'm just cute, ain't I? Okay. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, do that before you watch the video. And then now we're gonna play the video. First makeup tutorial of the year. Got my coffee. It's hot still, I just made it. Y'all are gonna see a lot of dirty brushes, but I'm gonna wash them today. So not much has really changed about my makeup application, to be honest, and I'm trying to get a lot better. Like, there's a certain look that I'm trying to go for, and I will insert some pictures to show y'all, because that's the type of beat that I want on my face, and I want to be able to do that to myself. I do like a lot of my makeup looks natural, and I want like full glam. Okay, so I've cleansed my face already, moisturized. I'm going to talk about the new skincare routine and products that I have, because my skincare has changed. So I'm going to talk about that in another video. Also, a lot of my products are still the same. The products that I use, like this is my favorite brow pencil, Precision Brow Pencil by ColourPop, in the shade Black and Brown. These are super affordable and they're very pigmented, and I love them so much. But what y'all can do, because I do want to try new makeup products this year, so y'all can comment down below your favorite makeup products. I don't care what it is, but I want to start wearing blush, I think. So I basically put that powder in my brows because I'm moisturized and I like to do my brows first, and so I like for my brows to be, like the hair to be dry when I'm using a product on them. I also want to start getting my brows like waxed or threaded or something, because they are so uneven. And then my brow hairs grow really fast, because I'm pretty sure I just, maybe it's been 2 weeks, just shaped them up. This hurt my ear. Whew, let me go ahead and lay my baby hairs. Hold on. So we are going to clean up the brows, and I use Fawn concealer by LA Girl. Before I get too far into that, I'm going to prime with this Becca primer. This is, well, I guess it doesn't matter, because they are so, I mean, they have gone out of business. So I need to find a dupe of their primer. So I basically prime in the areas that I get oily, which is the T-zone. Okay, so and so I also do the same thing on the top with the same concealer. A lot of people use a lighter concealer, but me, I don't think I like how that looks. So I've tried it before, but with a concealer the same shade as them, and with my skin tone, it's starting to even out now, but it was two different shades, y'all, and it was just hard for me to find a good shade, a good foundation, something that really blended with my skin and stuff. But I like, and it doesn't give you a highlighted brow. Some people don't like that, the highlighted brow look, but if you blend it out all the way, because blending is key when it comes to makeup, then you will not have that highlighted brow look. This brow definitely looks thicker. CoverGirl True Blend in D50. My friend gave me this, and I realized it's like a good match on my skin. And I was using D80, but D50 and D80, if I remember to put the shades on the screen, y'all gonna be like, that was not your shade, girl. I know. I'm terrible at matching my skin because, like I said, I was two different shades. And see, I ain't gonna get into all that. So I've never mixed these two before together, but this one is not a full coverage, and so this one is. And this is Sephora Fun Say, no, chocolate chip. But I put this in my wig lace and it just looks perfect. So, but let's see if it's not. Yep. Which one, y'all? Definitely not this one. So I can't mix those. I'm just gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend by itself. Okay. And we're just gonna pack it on. My forehead big, but I'm just adding whatever I can. Okay. Look what I just did. I go over my, what am I trying to say? My eyelid with foundation when I'm not putting on mascara, eyeshadow, because I have to find a way to blend that concealer out. That was on my eyelid. But speaking of eyeshadow, I do want to start doing more this year, more eyeshadow looks. So that's something I'm going to practice, you know. So for concealers, I have two. I have the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. And it says it's a foundation plus a concealer, but I use it for concealing only. And then I have the Fawn one that I'm still going to use. And I like a heavy under eye, y'all. When I mean heavy, I mean heavy. And I probably go too many shades light. but that's how I like it. Once again, I'm gonna clean my brushes, you guys. So I like to start at the bottom and like blend out and then go up, and I found that works for me because it gives it doesn't leave like a too harsh of a line. Like, you see how that it's blending in? I should not have done that, but it's blending in. So I'm gonna go back over that line. But blend it out. And blend up. And blend up and you look up because you don't want creasing, especially if you crease fast like I do. Fast and bad, okay, that's how I crease. It's perfect, okay. Looks like I drew a heart up here. And I don't really contour my nose, but this helps because I have like some makeup, some products still left on this beauty blender. Yeah, I was supposed to be blending with this, but it's too late now. I guess it don't matter. I'm looking like somebody loved me, okay? So now I'm gonna take my favorite setting powder, the Laura Mercier translucent. I really want to try her other shades, and I also want to try 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽 as well. And then I'm gonna go over top of it a little bit with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, since I am a woman of color. Just a little bit. Underneath the eye area. For my contour, I got this Pure Sculptor. And I was using this shade, but I think I might try this today. All right, so let me go put my lashes on. I think I'll put my lashes on camera. And then I'm gonna do my hair off camera, because I need to lay this down. Baby, look. The skin. Ooh, it's perfect, okay? So when I said I had to find some lashes, I did. I had 3 pair. Well, 3 different lashes up there. Like 1, 2, 3. And then I had to figure out which ones matched. I really need to buy me some more lashes. Cause yeah, I don't have any. And I used to stay stocked up. But anyways. I always forget this, y'all. I need to put some setting powder over my I think I put too much. All right, I'm about to go do my hair off camera, and I'll be back. So to finish off my makeup, I'm going to go over it with this Becca. This is like a finishing veil, and more like a pressed powder. I took off the powder and stuff off camera because doing my hair it took a little bit longer, so I just put a little bit of that. Ooh, okay. Hold on. Now the camera kind of flushes me out a little bit, I think, or maybe it's just, I don't know. Like, hold on. Is my lighting too bright? But see, ooh, that right there. But yeah, oh, look at the baby hairs flopping already. Okay. What? How have I not known this? Okay. How have I not known this? With the light down. Look at that skin. Yes. Okay then. Okay. Let me turn the light back down. I think I like that a little bit better. Okay. Y'all can really see. Okay. Let me come. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, letting me know what you want to see next, letting me know your thoughts and everything like that. I do have details on this hair. I will post them in the description box or whatever like that. I just put on a little red dress or whatever. But yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.